Hey guys and gals, welcome back. Today we're going to be going over transitions. As always, if you're interested in learning about any of the other tabs or functions, go ahead and check out the series for more videos about that. But we're just going to get started from the left to the right on transitions. So transitions is how you transition your slide to the next slide. As you can see, this is all of your transitions options. So you can morph it, you can uncover it, you can flash to get to the next slide, you can fall over to get to the next slide, there's curtains, there's honestly a ton of options. This is one of my favorite ones. And then there are dynamic content as well, so you can fly through to get to it, which moves the content of your slide. That's what dynamic content means. Also, when you have like a simpler transition, as I'll show here with the push, you can pick multiple effect options, which allows you to make the slide push from a specific direction. So you'll see that was left to right. And then this is from the right to the left. If you want to preview your transition, you just click this button right here and it'll preview the transition you have. Over here in the timing section, you can pick a sound. There's lots of sounds. You can also loop it until the next sound. And then you can also pick the duration of your transition. So say I want this to be a longer transition. You can see now that this takes longer time. It takes 4.5 seconds. You can also apply this transition to all. So now this slide will also have that transition. Over here, you can pick how to advance the slide. You can pick whether you want it to advance on mouse click or after a certain amount of time. And that's all we have for transitions. Thank you so much for watching. If this brought you any value at all, go ahead and give me a like and a subscribe. As always, if you're interested in learning more about PowerPoint, go ahead and check out the rest of this series. Thank you. Bye.